Hey guys, so today we're going to be planting a lot of our tomatoes today that I have grown in the greenhouse and at the house. So we start off with all these buckets, which there's a whole lot of buckets here, and we've got our black cow and cocoa core, some of the potting mix, and a couple of tomato tone and some blood meal and a little bit of bone meal, and we're going to be mixing that in, and we're going to go from and some azomite. So we're going to go from there, and I'm going to plant as much as I can, and then we're going to take them into the high tunnel and put the clips on them as they start to grow up, and we will be showing you all of that. All right, anything?
Well, no, we just grow our tomatoes in the buckets. We're trying to give the soil in the high tunnel a rest because we've grown tomatoes too many years in a row.
Yeah, so we just do them in buckets now. So I got all this planted today, and I'll just go ahead and show you all the buckets, and eventually they'll go onto these strings that we have up here. I know you can barely see them, but we will tie them up because basically this is a 16-foot tall greenhouse, and the sides roll down. And I plant a couple marigolds in some of them just because they're good for pest deterrents. And you can see there's a lot of them. So it pretty much took all afternoon. And these back here, this is all just volunteers and weeds. Look at all the tomatoes. Just everywhere you look. And another whole row here, and then these right here in the little cloth buckets, those are determinants, and they're actually called container tomatoes, and I had got the seeds from Johnny's for those. So, and then Bruce has to hook up the irrigation system, and I've got to do some more cleaning back here. And anyways, this is where all it's going to be. So I've got a lot more still left to go, and I'll go ahead and take you out here and show you the rest of the greenhouse, and so you can see what's left. And let me turn this music off. So I still have all this left. And the little okra over here already has a bloom on it. The marigolds. And these are those spilanthes that I talked about, the toothache plant. So wow, still so much more to do. Alright guys. Oh yeah, quick little thing I wanted to add. So I planted the potatoes in here. These are 10-gallon potato buckets. And they are made of plastic, so they'll probably hold the water a little bit better. And then here's the beets, and you can see how good they're doing. So like I said, I've gone to container gardening this year because of the back surgery. So strawberries, and look at this pak choy. And I've got a few radishes throughout here, but look at this. I'm ready to eat this bad boy. Isn't it beautiful? So this was my first time ever planting the pak choy, and I am very happy with that. And then the carrots all came up. So I got two kinds. I got like a carnival one and a purple one. So these are the other onions. And these are more carrots right through here, but they haven't come up yet. I kind of staggered it. These are the Walla Walla onions. And then I wanted to show you this over here. The peas, which this is all new for me, but look. I've grown peas, but they've only been grown in long beds. And then, you know, like far the potatoes goes, this whole field last year was potatoes. And we canned every single one of our potatoes, which I have a video on that too. So this year, no grow out in the fields. And, yeah, bud.
Your doctor called.
Okay. So we're running back to the house. Of course, the goats think I got food. Whew. So much for the ending. I'm coming, buddy. It's not like I can run any faster. Not with this back.
Thank you so much
So
for calling us back.
the doctor's
okay?
on the phone
All
for
right,
me.
You got your approval for your surgery.
Woohoo! Yes.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Now I need my heart attack
Thank
surgery.
you.
That was
Woo! So, guys, this is the end. Colby's making some dinner. He's my little chef. Oh, yeah, favorite son.